up? It's actually getting kind of warm out now. I've been out here for a minute, so I really just wanted some new type of project to work on, like something new that I can do. And I thought this was the perfect thing. It's something I was kind of afraid of doing too, just being out here and spending a lot of time here, just chilling. But it is honestly such a nice place to be here. When no one else is really here, everyone else is probably still sleeping. Something drastic like this is really important. Like I have this whole, what's it called? I was about to say basketball backpack. Brought my camera, brought some other stuff, brought a book, brought a journal where I can just write things, think of ideas, and yeah, there's more interesting, fun stuff on the way. It's time for some fun activities. First thing we're gonna do is rock skipping. All right, we got a rock. We got something to skip on. Let's do it. I think you'll be impressed, hopefully. Nice. I almost fell into the freaking little lake thing, bro. Oh my gosh. All right, we got another. Ready for round two. All right, not bad, not bad, not bad. My record's like 10 or something like that. So I found another sick rock. Look how flat that is. It's gonna go so well. Oh, that was horrible. That was beautiful. All right, next thing I'm gonna try to do is write a bit, plan some ideas out for what I can do for the community that I have, which is free. It's in the description, with like-minded people, and also for the program that I have for reducing screen time. So I'm gonna plan out some stuff for that. How can I make it even better? Check those out if you're interested. There's also this no swimming anytime sign, but it looks like you can swim here, judging by the quality of that sign. So yeah, and I think people also go over there somewhere in the distance. So yeah, I think you can swim here. Certain amount of likes, I'll do it. I'll go swimming in here. It'll be fun, trust. Right now, I'm just thinking of new things that I can do to break that cycle. Having a journal, being in an environment where you can step out just to give yourself time to face those thoughts, those fears, and give yourself a minute to write down those fears, those thoughts that you have, and how you can go about them, what the next steps are. This is why you have to train yourself to rebuild your attention span, so you can give yourself time to really think about what the next steps, how you can progress are. I think the most important thing to get better is actually taking action. Everything I write in here, I want it to get actualized in my life. And I'm making sure that happens by writing step-by-step breakdowns on how I can do it and all of that stuff. A lot of my previous pages were just to-do lists that I've completely crossed out. A lot of my pages are just a bunch of stuff scribbled out because I already did them. Like some stuff here is just completely scribbled out. That's also why I wanted to make a video where I'm outside on a hike doing stuff, so you can see me taking action on some of the things that I do and say and write down in this book. Alrighty, we got some nice stuff so far. Now we're gonna move on, get some more cool stuff, and just go deeper into the forest and keep exploring, break that monotonous cycle of being inside. Here's my little camp in case you were wondering about my setup. And yeah, now we're gonna move on to some more fun tasks. All right, I found this log and it's genuinely massive. This is so big. Look at this place, bro. I think you know what we have to do. We're walking across it. Let's go. This is gonna be fun. It was actually mad scary at the end because it like curves up and it gets more narrow, and it started getting like really windy when I got there, but oh my gosh, that is so sick. Ooh, that got me hyped. I'll show you what it looks like when you're walking on it, because oh my gosh. All right, let me take you on a little log tour. This is where it fell. This is the beginning, and this is where it kind of fell off, but it provides this amazing natural platform. We got some carvings on it, and then over there we just got the natural, vast, massive log. And then it's a bit of a struggle to get up, but oh my gosh, I should be a climber. I just gripped on this little piece to get up, but yeah, here it is. You're climbing on it. It's pretty nice. It's really nice, actually. And then right about like where these little eyes are, right here, there's a little hole, that's cool. But right about here where it gets really like curvy, that's where it gets scary. And then you got that nice little rest to lean on, to grab on, to bear with your life. But yeah, that's the little trunk tour. Hope you enjoyed it. And there's me right there. Yeah, it's really thick and massive. I love those little things shining the sun. And that log is what's behind us. That's me right there. And yeah, I'm getting off the, it's like fun. And then you question like why you're alive. And then, whoa. I think that's like the perfect way to describe what a challenge should be like. Feel better after you do it. It's hard while you do it. It's scary. You want to go back. You feel stuck, like you're just frozen there. But you just get along with it. It might have actually been like the coolest thing. I did not expect this to be here at all. But I'm so glad I went even further into the woods and discovered this. So stick around because we're gonna have a rock skipping competition. I collected some rocks. And what else awaits in the undiscovered, well, discovered parts of this forest? So stick around. Got a bunch of rocks. All that's left now is to skip them. All right, one more rock, final one. Did that skip? So that was definitely a really fun experience. It was fun, but the way I like to think about it is that that is just the beginning of my potential and what I can do. So I promise you, there's gonna be greater and bigger things in the future, especially for this channel. I don't want you to miss out on this, so consider subscribing. It's free. You can always change your mind, and I'll be posting more cool things like that, hopefully. Let me know what you liked. If there's something you wish you can see, an idea, actually let me know if you like this video by going in the comments and saying what you liked and liking the video, so I can do more of those things for you. Also, if you're serious about reducing your screen time and you want a clear framework with a step-by-step roadmap with my guidance, apply in the link in the description. This is definitely something I'm going to remember for a long time and take action on this and get those memories too. I'll see you.